So vlogger, right now we're there at the post office. I get some of the thing them out. We drop off some already, the post office board for that. But catch a pre. So everybody will order on the thing with the out internationally, Canada, Jamaica, them are forward, you see me? We're running a little dilemma, but we're back on track again. And I go mail off them. You see me too, no? If you don't get on a headphone, go get them right now. Click the link in the description. And a mad thing. You see me? Oh shoot, I can't show any people them address. Yeah man. Bow super out.
What she put?
International shipping
The
cost.
okay?
Yeah.
She gotta have, I'm gonna have to put KK.
Okay.
Cause you can't put just one letter.
That's what she put in that stuff.
If your last name was K, now your name KK. Look out for your package.
Right?
What? Why if you ever miss a package and you not get it? K. What first name? Dishana. K. Look out for your package. Alright, vlogger, I don't know if you just see you. Are we a lucky post office? Are we a lucky post office? Me and Slime, we're about to cut right now. That was the last shipment of the package for the big order what we get for everybody. You see me? I'm not going to lock the site. The site's still open. Click the link in the description again. We have a couple more orders are forwarding. I'm going to get to know Fire Tunes headphone. You see me? Post office lock. We are going to cut right now. Go and stay tuned. Batty cock up. Yo, what go on vlog world? So right now. Oh shit, me licky people them care a while ago. We're there in movie theater right now, you see me? And I go watch. What movie name we are watch? Wakanda forever. You see me? I know now cause me I say me I go on a lot of dates and shit like that, but I'm on a date right now. Could you hold this for me? I'm on a date right now. And this date is a normal date. Y'all seen her on the vlog already. You know? She woke me up out of my raw sleep for me to come to the movie theater. This time of the day. The sky pretty down. I don't even know what time today. I don't even know about 5 something. About 5? We're late. I think we're late.
4:45.
In the cold, I'm going to go back in there to go sleep. She wake me up for me come to movie theater in a daytime. Who come watch movie in a daytime? In a Crocs. We are early? Late. We're late. We're late. So it started already.
Oh yeah, it's up on the left, see where it says RPX, follow that hallway to the theater.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Hello. Wakanda. Oh, it's a 3D one. Oh, so that's your here for. Thank you. You're welcome. Wakanda. Sorry. Girl, are we alone? Are we alone in here? Well, like 2 people. Some people. We see 2 people. Yo. So vlog girl, right now, me just take a bathroom break. And I don't know, when me guy moving, me have to piss. Sleep now bite me head, cause me want to for treat early, me don't want to sleep. But sleep now bite me head. Should I smoke before me come in here? That me should have do. Oh shit, let me take it up. And the bathroom it drop in, I don't know. Virus go up on my glasses. We watch 3D, Wakanda forever. Think me I go beat them 3D glasses, you know them. They look cool.
Hey, in the comment section,
So vlogger, right now we just leaving the movie theaters. It's about 8-9 o'clock right now. I'm going to go home and edit this vlog for y'all. Thanks for watching. What do you stand here? What you doing, Clark? What you doing, me yard?
I'm coming around, man.
No, wait.
Open the door.
What you do over here?
I'm coming to sleep over, right? I called you.
Me block your number. What you keep on? Yo, you no do them something,
What did you
please.
block me for? I'm coming to sleep over. Open the door.
You know, tell me say you're pregnant. I know my pitney that. Me know I know my pit.
Open the door.
Fuck.
Hey, what's up?
Wait, lucky do. What you do for me, Had?
Oh, I just told you I'm going to sleep over. Why
Yeah, I'll
you
bring
answer me?
clothes.
I called you.
Yeah, I'll bring clothes. Yo, me not like when people pop up on me at, what you do on my window and not do my window?
I'm sleeping over. What's the problem?
No, you can't sleep over, sorry, but this is one bad mistake, come on. Sorry.
What are you talking about?
You can't stay.
Good night.
Wait, where you go on my bed in your clothes?
Come lay down. I'm tired too.
Wait, they not hear me? Something wrong with you?
What's the problem?
You can't sleep over, come, you have to go away. What time? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:22 p.m. Have a good night.
Have a good night. You see, that means come lay down right now and turn on the TV.
A dream. This is just a dream. Oh.
You're joking. This has to be a joke. Come lay down. Let me close the door for you.
Me tell you someone lay down. But where
Lock it.
lock the door for why? No, stop. Let me go. No.
What are you gonna push me?
No means no. If you stop. I'm not ready for go sleep yet.
Listen.
I'm not ready for go sleep.
Listen. You're gonna go to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So just lay down and be quiet, okay? I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
I'm not ready for sleep yet. I always...
Get off this phone.
All right. Feel like a Superman. Me feel like a Superman. Me feel like a Superman. Superman no need tonic. Hard cocky me give you fi wine pan it. Drop bomb inna your belly, fuck out of this world. Me come from a different planet. Make me give you some Superman stabbing.